Hey, let's download and install Splunk on Linux machine. So I'm here on the Splunk website, and if I go here, free Splunk, okay. Splunk gives 60 days trial, and that's for free, so you can play around for 60 days. So click here, free trials, and scroll a bit down for this one, Splunk Enterprise, and get my free trial. Now since we want for Linux, so we will select Linux from here, and we will download the .tgz, which is a gzip tar. So download here. So see, I'm not downloading it in my local machine because I have set up my Linux machine on the cloud, so I will cancel it, and rather I will download via a command line with this command wget. Okay, so when you click here, it gives you the wget link. Okay, so we will select all, pressing Ctrl A, right click and copy. Okay, so we minimize this, and here we have our Linux console. Okay, so first thing first, we have to make a user for the Splunk. Okay, so the command to add new user is user add, and you can name it anything, but we will name it as Splunk. Okay, enter. Now we assign a password for this account. Okay, now you give new password, confirm it. Okay, now we have to install Splunk inside /opt directory. So we want to give permission to the Splunk user for that directory. So the command is chon, okay, and recursively to all directories inside, here the username and then the group name. Okay, so and the directory is /opt, enter. Okay, now we switch to the Splunk user by typing su command. Okay, we clear the screen, and now we enter to the Splunk directory. Okay, so now we paste the command. Okay, this is the command we copied from Splunk website, enter. Now see, there is one problem coming. The wget command is not installed here, so let me quickly switch to root to install wget. Okay, so the password, oh, there is some nice rain outside. Okay, so the command to install wget is yum install wget. Remember, this is Centos Linux, okay, version 9. So press enter. yes here. Okay, so now the wget command is installed. Okay, so we switch to the Splunk user again. Okay, cd, go to the opt directory, and now we paste our command. Okay, and press enter. Don't worry about this long command, I will give this in the description. Enter. So it's downloading now. Okay, if we quickly check. Okay, so Splunk is here. Okay, so now the command to install it is tar, because it is a gzip tar file. So tar zxvf. Okay, and then name of your Splunk file, and then capital C and dot means install it in the current directory. Enter. Okay, so the Splunk is installed. We quickly clear the screen, and now we will run Splunk. So in order to start the Splunk instance, we have to go to this path /opt Splunk, and inside bin. Okay, all the executables are inside the bin directory, and the command to Splunk to start the Splunk is Splunk, then start, and then this is optional. If we press enter here, it will go through a long listing of license agreement, so we want to accept it beforehand. So the command, the switch for that one is -- accept -license. Okay, and enter. Now here it is saying to make an administrator account for the Splunk instance. Okay, so username we choose admin. Okay, and then the password, confirm the password. Okay, once this process is finished, you can access your Splunk instance on this IP. Okay, this is your local machine loopback IP, and this is the port. Okay, port 8000. But I will not use this IP because I didn't install it on my local machine. My machine is here. Okay, this is the IP of my virtual machine. Okay, so copy this IP and onto the new tab. Okay, and paste it, and then type port 8000. Okay, press enter. So now we give the admin username and password. Press enter. Okay, so this is your Splunk instance. Thanks for watching.